The decision of the Federal Reserve to cut interest rate by 50 basis points might have just kickstart the alt season. We might be actually in the next alt season after a long time. And the Federal Reserve cut interest rate after a long standing 4 years without doing anything. It says here that the US Federal Reserve cut its benchmark federal funds rate by 50 basis points to 4.75% to 5% on September 18, ending an aggressive rate hike cycle that has dominated the last year. This is crazy. And they have been doing this for like, ever increasing rate, hiking rate, and so on and so forth. And this has been a pain for investors who have been struggling, to borrow money and do stuff with it. Today, I want us to look at the charts. Let's look at what price is saying. Let's look at what Bitcoin is saying. Let's look at what the altcoin market is saying for us to decide what to do. We are all about looking at opportunities in the market to make money and buy more Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the alpha, and Bitcoin have given us the go ahead, shows that the market is strong, the economy is strong, and the money can now start flowing into this altcoin. People can now start borrowing money at a low interest rate to buy, to invest, to buy homes, to do stuff. That's why we saw gold, we hit the high, the all-time high after this rate cut. After this rate cut. So today I want us to look at the altcoin market, look at the chart, look at what Bitcoin is doing, look at some coins that we should be holding at this point in time. Because guys, this analysis that I'm going to share with you today will be that the number one that I've ever shared ever. Because what I'm going to share with you today, you see the different zones where we are going to buy, pull back, where we're going to cash out profit, where we're going to stay away from the market, and when we're going to just like, okay, now is the time to just, enjoy the profits and, allow the market to do what the market love to do. Okay, so I want you to stay to the end of this video. Let's go through this together. And if you say you are new here, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscribers, you are welcome as well. This is a place where we just share stuff to help each other grow to make money. Crypto is here to stay, and we are here to stay with cryptocurrency, making more Bitcoin. So let's dive into my analysis for today. Welcome everyone who is joining me. You're welcome. So yeah, we let's go through some like a couple of news, first before we dive into this. It says Orbit listing triggered bullish movement for Mu. I talk about Mu today, and this is a meme coin, of course, and it's an upcoming meme coin on the Solana blockchain that I think you should look at. And this is one of the meme coins or the coins you should be buying during this all season. I'm going to do analysis on Mu to show you guys the zones where we should be buying, when to take out profit, and all this good stuff. I'm all about the zones, the market structure, the support and resistance, the like trend lines, all this stuff, all this stuff that you can see or you see in any coin before you get involved in it. That's what I'm trying to put myself to. I want you to be in a position where you are always buying at the right time. Always. I want us to be buying at the right time. Always. I don't want us to be, making mistakes here and there, buying coins when it's not the time to buy. I want us to buy at the right time. So this listing on Orbit is good, but imagine that we see big exchanges like Binance list this bad boy. You know what's going to happen? Okay, of course. And there's this other news that says Binance holds of Nigerian licensing until Gambarian is freed. I don't know what is going on in Nigeria. Why are they holding this Binance CEO? I don't know what's going on. These corrupt politicians, they're just doing whatever they want to do for money because they see that Binance have money. They want to be corrupt. Why are they holding this guy? They are more corrupt than this. This guy is just doing his job, and they are holding him for political reasons. I don't know what's going on. And I think what the Nigerian government is doing is so bad. They don't care about their people. The naira is dwindling in value and has not like I don't know. The naira is like shit. It's like dirt. So it's crazy. I don't know what's going on with that in that country. When your currency keep devaluating like that, keep plunging down in value, I don't know what is gonna hold for the citizens. Those who depend on the currency, who do businesses in the currency. I mean, guys, imagine what these guys are going through. Imagine that you are saving money in naira. That's why I'm always like saying you have to invest. You have to learn how to invest your fiat. Buy stuff. Buy Bitcoin. Put your money in USDT. Never, guys. Anyway, I don't want to be emotional in this. Yeah, let's just leave it like that. So, Nigeria government free this guy before any licensing stuff is gonna be proceed with and meme coins can promote through compromised X account, guys. Again, when you look at like majority of the meme coins you see on X or platform are all scammers. Yeah, you see these guys, they don't show their faces. They're gonna tell you they have already gone behind the scene, buy it before you, then they're gonna dump it on you. Majority, in fact, 99% of them are scammers. So if you are on X, you should be on X not to look at like to cash the next meme coin. Of course, you can cash a meme coin from X, which is a good meme coin, and you've come to me, to us. Let's do the analysis. Let's look at what price has done in the past, what price might do in the future, and we mark zones. If price respect those zones, then we go all in full time. We are not here to just go give money to scammers. We are here to make money, not to go and give scammers money. So, guys, trust me, I don't want us to be giving these guys money. You know, we have a lot of coins to buy. There are a lot of coins to buy that we should be buying, not to go and give these scammers, money that they didn't work for. We work so hard for our money, so we have to keep our money, not to give these guys. So if you have any coin you are looking at, guys, come to me, come to my live show. Let me analyze these coins for you. Let me see. Let's see a structure. Let's look at what is going on. We go to the chart. We'll go to their X account. Look at stuff. I can do all this stuff to an extent. I can go even to the blockchain and see what's going on with transactions. That's why I have this for you guys. I've always said to you, if say you want to be in my community, you want to get what I'm buying, what I'm selling. I trade meme coin. I trade everything that moves alongside Bitcoin. I have so many coins that I look on every day, every week. So make sure you join my VIP group to get access to my buy, sell, and take profit alerts. My take profit, alert, yeah. Buy and get my take profit alert. And if you want to trade with me on Bitronix, then make sure you use this first link. It's a no KYC platform. It's free. All you need is to deposit at least $100 and start trading with me. We're gonna trade. We're gonna trade spot and futures. Okay. I have all of these resources here. Join my free Telegram. All of this is free resources. Or book an appointment with me. Let's discuss. If you have issues in portfolio management, don't go and buy. Just buy. Like you can book 15 minute free call with me and ask me questions about anything. But don't go and buy coins from X because you see that this guy have more of this kind of following, or he start or he says no. Don't do that. Let's focus on what we know and what we can analyze. Now let's move to this crypto bubbles. Oh boy, these are the top 100 coins right now, and you can see against Bitcoin, the ones you see in green are the ones that are outperforming Bitcoin. I mean, the bubbles in green, and you can see, like, guys, there's not many coins that are doing so well from the top 100 coins. I mean, look at the percentage that are against Bitcoin. Popcat, to an extent, is the only coin from the top 100 coins which is outperforming Bitcoin, like, times two. The rest is not really. Look at Wift, look at Core, look at Beam, look at Audi, look at C, Aptos, Bread. If you go to the next, the top 200, you can start seeing now Tubo, Mew, many of them. Meme coin, you go to the top 300, you can see Giga, XP, Par. You can see also from the top 100, top 400 coins, you can see Andy, Reef. Oh, Reef is crazy today. Reef is up 60%. Oh boy, and I talk about Reef just recently, not long ago. I talked about Reef, and let's just go quickly to analyze Reef. But before we go there, let me just look at the top 500 coins to see which coins are doing so well. You can see Omikami, Pepe, Bobo is down, Spec, Kendu. Most of these coins are meme coins. That's why, guys, meme coins are gonna be our casino. They are already my casinos. I don't know about you. They are my casinos. I have meme coins that I trade. I know how it moves. I know how market structure is, and I try to apply this in most of my meme coins. The ones that respect structure, I dive with them. The ones that doesn't respect structure, I run away from them. So I don't want to waste my time, being with meme, being or trading meme coins that is not gonna give me any value. So let's just do quick analysis and see what's going on with this bad boy. That was Reef, I think Reef. Yeah, let's see. Reef, I think that. Oh boy, look at this pump. Oh boy, wow. This pump alone it says 60%. Okay. This is a daily time frame. Let's just do this. Let me zoom out. Let's see. Oh boy, look. you know, I love when I talk about coins and the coin that I talk about, pump. I like it because it means my followers, those who follow me, they make money. I want to make money. I'm happy. Okay? Because the goal here is to see people make money. If people don't make money, then why am I here? Right? Of course, I love what I do, but I want to see people make money. And if I see Reef Finance or Reef Crypto is helping my viewers make money, then I'm happy. But guys, this is not what I wanted. What I wanted to also talk about today, Reef. But I just saw that Reef was doing or is doing so great. And we have to talk about it. We're going to see what to do. Now we are looking at Reef on the daily time frame. Okay, and I want to assume that this move here is going to be accompanied by a pullback. I always say that because look at it, this long week here, it's not sustainable. Trust me, it's good, but it's not sustainable. We need to see the chart move in waves. You should have to move the way the chart move. So again, what you do when you see any coin pump like this, you bring in the Fibonacci retracement tool. It's free of charge. It won't cost you anything. All you need is trading view. And if you go to my link tree, the link tree is found at the description of this video. Click on the link tree, go right down to where it says join me on trading view. It is free. It won't cost you anything to get trading view. If you want the paid version, then you can get it. If you must have seen that, it's something you want to use. But if you click this link, you're not get it for free. And when you get it for free, then you can get this also for free. This Fibonacci tool is gonna be for free there. You don't have to buy anything on TradingView. Click on that, take it from the bottom where this pump started, that was down there, to the top of that, week. In case this is the end of the week, like let's say we end here, there, this pump end here, we don't see any pump and price is struggling, to make higher highs. So what you're looking at are these lines here, these zones that I mark here, and these zones are 0.382 zones, 0.5, 0.618, which is a golden pocket, and 0.786. I can click here so you can see the zones. Let me click here so you can see the zones. You can look at it. This is what I have marked. This is my settings. These are the one I tick are the ones you should tick also on your feed if you want to get the same settings as I am. So you can see as I have here, you can see this range. If price leaves that zone and come back to this range, then I'm going to be looking at that buy opportunity. So this is the zone where I want to be looking. So if say price does something like this, if say price come here for Reef, price come here and price is not able to break down, price just end somewhere here and moving like sideways, and I know maybe we might see another leg up. But if that's not the case, if price instead do something like this, come right down here and it's making like this, then I know you want to pump to the upside. So I can buy and then cash out profit, because usually when it does that, it doesn't mean that it must go and do higher highs. If it's not able to go and do higher highs, then I'm waiting for price to come back towards the golden pocket, the other line here, this other one, the other one, which is like this one, like this zone here. And if price is not able to break this zone, to break below this zone, then I know, okay, maybe it can go back up. But this is the last zone. Yeah, price should not break below. If price break below and started moving here, it means my move has been invalidated. So this is what you should be looking at, when you are buying any coin. I'm using Reef right now to show you my thought process, but this is what you do with any coin out there. But let's dive into our analysis. So let me show you guys why I think we are actually in the alt season. We are in the alt season, and I'm gonna go to Bitcoin in a while, like after showing you this. Because now I'm looking at all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin. This is total too, and what you are seeing here is this vector candle, or what I'm looking at here is this vector candle. Whenever I see a vector candle on the daily time frame, at least two of these vector candles, and this vector candle is being accompanied by volume. Look at the volume here, even though it's not that huge, but the volume is more, is good volume. If it's accompanied by by this kind of a volume, and I see the volume, increase, maybe now it's not increasing, but if it increase and price does this, if price is gonna do something like this, let me show you. And this is what, like, this is how we're gonna confirm this together, and be ready if price is gonna do this. If price is gonna do something like this, guys, let me bring in. Sorry, something like this. We see a move like this, price go up there, break structure, come back. Yeah, that's when we are buying, and by that time, the alpha trend must have printed a buy signal. Yeah, and when the alpha trend must have printed a buy signal, yeah, that's when we are getting involved. Okay, you don't get, like, we're gonna see a huge pump like what we are seeing now. Maybe the oil coins that are pumping right now might not stop. We might see this chart go right up, to this level, break structure, and the alpha trend will print a buy signal here. You are waiting for that pullback to where the alpha trend printed that buy signal. That's what you are gonna we are gonna be doing. Guys, sorry, my nose is scratching. I don't know what's going on here. Mm. Oh, sorry. But now we are seeing that price has broken this zone here. There's a minor zone here that maybe you guys cannot see here. This is it. Price has broken this zone here, and price is above it. So what we want price to do on this total two is to stay above. This candle, this green candle should close above here, to close above here, to be at least this level here. Move up, like, to price should do something like this quickly, at least close above here. Price must not close above there, but price should close above here to an extent we see that, okay, now maybe a quick retracement can take price maybe there, then before a bounce again. But by that time, we want to see that the alpha trend has printed a buy signal before any movement, either to the upside, or to the downside. The alpha trend must print a buy signal. Right now, we are not seeing any buy signal. So I'm not in, like, I've sold most of my altcoins already, took out some profit. Now I'm waiting, because usually every Friday we see reversal. I don't know if, say, this Friday is gonna be the case, but we're gonna see some sort of reversal before we see the next leg to the upside. So it's important. Now another chart I want to show you guys right now is the total tree. This chart looks even more bullish than the one I just showed you, because you see this zone where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, we have seen this candle close above it. And whenever I see a candle close above it, like above such line or such zone, then I consider it as the beginning of break of structure. Okay, and I can even make it like narrow this down here so you can see this is a zone here. And again, this candle, we want to see this candle close above. Yeah, and this candle must not. Oh, you see, I did this before. Yeah, that when price pump here, maybe bounce from this line, this zone here. Then before it moved to the upside. But in this case, it didn't happen. Price went downward, but now price has crossed that zone again. So if price is going to do something like this, I mean, all these coins, if they're going to do something like this, come back. That's when we are buying altcoin. And now looking at total tree, that's all cryptocurrency excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can clearly see that we are starting to see reversal after this huge pump to the upside for altcoins. The altcoin market was bullish, and after that, we saw retracement back here, which was normal. Whenever we see a bullish run like this, there should be a retracement. But after the retracement, or during the retracement, price must respect structure. And in this case, this was the previous resistance that price didn't go and break on the daily time frame. So on this case, it was a goal, like a buy because of this, stopping volume candle as well, and price has been respecting this zone. So now we want to see price at least print a buy signal, go towards where the alpha trend created this first sell signal, and that's gonna be around 800 or 700 billion. Yeah, something like that for the entire altcoin market. But I'm looking at the entire altcoin market, that is all crypto, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, to go to about 1 billion. So we are looking at a huge upside. If I go to the weekly time frame, you can see a huge upside after this recovery back towards this zone here. I marked this zone long time when price was still here, when the alpha trend printed this buy signal. But when I'm doing analysis on the higher time frame, you get the right data. You get it right most of the time. Okay. And during this sell signal, I was like, okay, well, let me wait again for the next moment. The alpha trend is gonna print another buy signal, and I look at this zone here. This was the structure, and when price break structure, I was gonna be buying, like buying altcoins or going to altcoins, and I did go into altcoins, and I saw price pumped this much, and price have retraced back here, respecting this structure here, which is good. So this is what I'm looking at, and looking at Bitcoin now. I've talked about this already. Like I talked about this, that Bitcoin is still in structure. I'm not gonna go far to say things I didn't say, but what I want you guys to understand is this: Bitcoin is the alpha. Bitcoin will give the signal in the market. And when you see Bitcoin doing what Bitcoin is doing, like for example, on this chart, you can see Bitcoin has already done something that I love to mention to you guys. Bitcoin has, even though we are still in a downtrend, like guys, as it stands, we are still in a downtrend. Don't get me wrong. We might be heading towards the out season, and Bitcoin is going to confirm the out season. I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about right now. So we are still in a downtrend, because if I bring in you can this trend line here, you can see we are still in a downtrend, or maybe not the trend line. Maybe I can just bring in something like this. You can see here we have this low, we have this low here, we have this low here. Before it was this one, for this one, and now none of price, in any of this situation have gone to close above it. So price has not gone and close above it. So if this candle, this upward candle on the daily time frame is real, then this candle must close above here. Close above. We must see, maybe not today, or maybe not tomorrow, but this week, or before us to confirm any move to the upside, we must see the candle close above 66 or $65,000 per Bitcoin. If that's the case, then the altcoin season should kickstart. Trust me. We're gonna do this again, right? Because right now, like, I can do this multiple ways. You can see, look, price pump here, price came back down here, price pump here, price came back down here, it formed lower lows, price pump here, it came right down here, it formed lower lows again, it pump here, it came right down here, it formed lower lows again, it pump here, it came right down here, it formed lower lows. But these weeks are, being eaten back towards a particular region where price is respecting. So this is a particular region here. This is the area here. You can see this zone, this tiny zone here. Price want to stay above it. So when you see things like this happen multiple times, like one, two, three, then always be ready to buy back, to get into any altcoin that you are trading that move alongside Bitcoin. In this case, none of this pullback has gone and formed higher highs or break the previous highs. This one didn't attempt. This one attempt, it failed. This one attempt, it failed. Now this one is trying to attempt. What is it gonna do? Is it gonna break and make higher highs there, or fail here? So this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at this zone here for Bitcoin. This zone, I'm looking at this area here. This is what I'm looking at. Yeah. If price is able to break above here and close above there, then we are going to confirm the biggest altcoin season in the history of altcoin. We're going to see meme coins do so great. Why? because interest rate is being reduced, and because of interest rate, people because of the fact that interest rate is being reduced, people can now borrow money and go and buy any altcoin out there. So guys, if this analysis is juicy, if you are enjoying the analysis, if it's going into your veins, into your streams, into your heads, give me some likes there. If what I'm saying is opening your brain, is giving you some goosebumps, some goose pimples, is helping you, is making you to see the bigger picture of what we are saying here, then guys, give like share this. You have to do this. Except you are someone who is greedy. If you're watching on X, retweet this. Retweet it. If you're watching on Facebook, share this to all of the groups you know. Let them know that we are going towards the all season, and the all season, everyone makes money. Everyone makes money. So I don't know about you, but let's dive into the meme coins or the altcoins I'm going to be buying during this session. I've been talking about most of these altcoins already, and let me arrange my country cap, traditional cap. Yes, I've been talking about these altcoins already. We have mock coin, popcat, miro, Mew, Rocky, Degen, Breadcoin, Trump coin, Book of Memes. Those are the meme coins that I'm buying. Audi is not a meme coin, but Audi is good. Rat is a meme coin on the Binance. So on the Bitcoin blockchain, I'm buying Rat. I'm looking at Rat as well. Let's see. I also have Reef. Reef is a coin that you should be looking at as well. Solana. Look at Solana. Ethereum will give you a huge gain, but now, guys, if we are strategic, I will give you guys a technique, a strategy. Because I'm just calling you guys random coins, but I want to give you a strategy. And this strategy, those who are gonna be part of my VIP group, particularly my VIP trading group, like this one. If you go to my link tree, go at the description of this video, get my link tree. If you join this Bitunix, you register with Bitunix, and you deposit at least $100, then I'm gonna invite you to trade with me, um, to join my trading group. And this is what we are gonna be doing there. We are going to be looking at all the meme coins on the base network, all the meme coins on the Solana network, then make more Ethereum and Solana by trading those meme coins that I am going to be sharing with you guys. And why are we going to do this? The reason why we're going to do this is because I want us to make more Ethereum and Solana. These are the next big thing in cryptocurrency, is Solana and Ethereum. Trust me. And most of the coins that are on these blockchains are gonna do so well. If say Solana and Ethereum do well, they are gonna do well as well. So I want to bring this to you so you understand. So make sure you do that. Go to my link tree. If you are watching on X and you want to get my link tree, you should come on YouTube. Go to the Button Crypto on YouTube, and you're gonna get my link tree there. And by the way, I want to shout out to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. You guys are awesome. We are heading towards 5,600 subscribers. Let's hit these subscribers right up to 10,000 subscribers. My goal, my target now is to get to 10,000 subscribers. If I get to 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to do something which is going to be like wow to my community, because you guys have been there for me. You guys are awesome. I can see how we are growing. You can see the trend here. We are really growing so fast. The channel is growing. Very soon we're gonna hit 10,000. And I know those of you who have been here with me from day one. You're like, oh, I've been here until he got 10,000 subscribers, 100,000, 200,000, and 1 million subscribers. We're gonna get there. It's a matter of time. We're not giving up. We're here for a long ride, and we're gonna bring in so many people who are going to enjoy this race. So guys, just make sure you are part of my VIP group. Join this VIP group, and also You can book a free call with me from on Zoom. We're gonna talk more on challenges that you are facing. So let me plug you through, to help you in your investment journey. Now, guys, I don't want to go deeper to talk more on, to make the video to be so long. We have done 30 minutes already. I'm gonna appreciate if you guys have some questions. If you don't have any questions, then um I'm gonna call this a go for now, and then we're gonna have the next show again tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Yeah, let's have a show on Friday. But the coins that I mentioned to you, I'm gonna teach you how to trade them. If so you join my VIP group, you join my trading group also. I'm gonna teach you how to trade this coin. But alongside Ethereum, Solana, we'll make more Ethereum, more Solana. Then we sell into Bitcoin and make more Bitcoin. That's just the idea, yeah. Until then, guys, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Ciao. Bye bye. Mm.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to